Did you know that a simple mixture of two common household ingredients could be the key to unlocking natural healing for some of the most stubborn health challenges? In today's video, Dr. Barbara O'Neill is about to reveal the hidden powers of castor oil and baking soda, a remedy that's been quietly transforming lives for centuries. From detoxifying the skin to soothing chronic inflammation, this combination is nothing short of miraculous. But what makes it so effective? And why have so many people overlooked its potential? Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll understand how this simple blend can be a game changer for your health.
Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into a truly fascinating topic, one that combines the wisdom of natural remedies with the simplicity of ingredients you likely already have at home. We're going to explore the incredible healing benefits of castor oil and baking soda, a powerful duo that has been used for generations to support the body's natural ability to heal. Together we'll uncover how this simple mixture can detoxify, reduce inflammation, and even help with skin conditions and pain relief. I'll explain not only why this combination works so effectively, but also how you can use it safely and easily in your daily life. So whether you're looking for a natural way to soothe a lingering health concern or simply curious about the potential of these two ingredients, today's session is packed with practical knowledge you won't want to miss.
And now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the first incredible benefit of this dynamic duo. Imagine a natural, gentle way to detoxify your skin, removing impurities and leaving it refreshed and rejuvenated. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Well, with castor oil and baking soda, this isn't just a possibility, it's a reality. Here's how it works.
Let's talk about the first benefit, detoxifying the skin. You see, the skin is our largest organ, and it plays a crucial role in eliminating toxins from the body. But over time, environmental pollutants, chemical-laden skincare products, and even poor diet can clog the pores, leaving the skin dull and lifeless. Now, this is where castor oil and baking soda come in. Castor oil is a natural powerhouse. It penetrates deeply into the skin, stimulating lymphatic flow and drawing out toxins trapped beneath the surface. It's also rich in ricinoleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, helping to calm and purify the skin. Baking soda, on the other hand, acts as a gentle exfoliant. It removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and helps balance the skin's pH, creating an environment where harmful bacteria and toxins simply can't thrive. When you combine the two, the result is a potent yet gentle detoxifying mask. It not only cleanses the skin but also nourishes it, leaving it soft, supple, and glowing. Simply mix a small amount of baking soda with castor oil to form a paste, apply it to your skin, and let it work its magic for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. You'll notice the difference almost immediately.
And that's just the beginning. While detoxifying the skin is remarkable on its own, this powerful combination doesn't stop there. In fact, the next benefit takes things a step further, addressing one of the most common concerns we face: inflammation. Let's uncover how castor oil and baking soda work together to soothe and heal inflamed tissues.
Now, let's look at the second benefit, reducing inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to pain, swelling, and discomfort, often lingering for far too long. Castor oil is a natural anti-inflammatory agent thanks to its high content of ricinoleic acid. When applied topically, it penetrates deep into the tissues, improving circulation and reducing swelling. This helps soothe the areas affected by joint pain, muscle soreness, or even conditions like arthritis. Baking soda, on the other hand, has alkalizing properties. Chronic inflammation is often fueled by an acidic environment in the body. By applying baking soda to inflamed areas, you help neutralize this acidity, creating a more balanced environment that allows the body's natural healing processes to take over. When you combine these two, the result is a powerful natural remedy for inflammation. Here's how you can use it. Mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda to form a smooth paste. Apply this mixture directly to the inflamed area. Cover it with a clean cloth and leave it on for about 30 minutes. For deeper relief, you can even wrap the area with plastic wrap and place a warm compress over it to enhance absorption. This simple, soothing treatment can make a world of difference, offering relief without relying on harsh chemicals or medications.
Isn't it amazing how nature provides us with such simple yet effective remedies? But we're not done yet, there's more to uncover. While reducing inflammation is life-changing for many, this mixture has another surprising benefit. It can help improve the healing of scars. Let's dive into how castor oil and baking soda can transform the way your skin regenerates.
Let's talk about the third benefit, scar healing. Scars, whether from injuries, surgeries, or acne, can leave lasting marks, not just on the skin, but also on one's confidence. Thankfully, castor oil and baking soda offer a natural solution to help fade these imperfections over time. Castor oil is known for its unique ability to penetrate deep into the skin's layers. It stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, which are essential for repairing damaged tissues and improving skin elasticity. This process helps to gradually soften the appearance of scars, making them less noticeable with consistent use. Baking soda, on the other hand, acts as a gentle exfoliant. It helps remove dead skin cells around the scar tissue, encouraging new cell growth and improving the overall texture of the skin. Additionally, its alkalizing properties promote an environment where healthy skin regeneration can thrive. To use this remedy, mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a tablespoon of castor oil to create a smooth paste. Gently massage the mixture onto the scar for a few minutes, then leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. With regular application, you'll notice the scar gradually softening and fading, revealing healthier, more even-toned skin underneath. Remember, healing scars takes time, but with patience and persistence, this simple remedy can produce remarkable results.
Isn't it incredible how such a simple mixture can do so much for our skin and overall healing? But we're not stopping here. The next benefit is one that many people struggle with: daily relief from stubborn skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Let's hear how castor oil and baking soda can bring soothing comfort to irritated skin.
Now, let's dive into the fourth benefit: relief for skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. These conditions can be incredibly frustrating, causing irritation, itching, and visible flare-ups that can affect both comfort and confidence. Thankfully, castor oil and baking soda offer a gentle yet effective way to soothe and heal these chronic skin issues. Castor oil has long been praised for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. When applied to affected areas, it helps reduce the redness, swelling, and discomfort that come with conditions like eczema and psoriasis. The rich linoleic acid in castor oil not only works to calm inflammation, but also helps repair damaged skin by promoting cell regeneration. Baking soda complements castor oil beautifully. It works as a natural exfoliant, gently sloughing off dead skin cells and promoting the growth of fresh, healthy skin. In addition, its alkaline nature helps balance the skin's pH, which can be disrupted by conditions like eczema and dermatitis. By restoring balance, baking soda helps to reduce irritation and prevent flare-ups. To use this remedy, mix a small amount of baking soda with castor oil to form a paste, then apply it directly to the affected areas. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the combination to deeply penetrate the skin and provide relief. Over time, this treatment can significantly improve the appearance of the skin while reducing the discomfort associated with these common conditions.
We've covered some truly amazing benefits so far, but there's still more to uncover. The next benefit addresses something many people struggle with: fungal infections. Whether it's athlete's foot, nail fungus, or other fungal issues, castor oil and baking soda can be a natural and effective solution. Let's explore how this powerful combination works to fight off these persistent infections.
Now let's move on to the fifth benefit: treating fungal infections. Fungal infections can be persistent and uncomfortable, often requiring long periods of treatment. Thankfully, castor oil and baking soda can help to naturally combat these infections and promote healing. Castor oil is known for its antifungal properties, which are due to its rich content of rich linoleic acid. This compound has been shown to effectively inhibit the growth of fungal cells. When applied to areas affected by fungal infections, such as athlete's foot or nail fungus, castor oil works to break down the fungus and prevent it from spreading, all while soothing irritated skin. Baking soda also plays a critical role in this remedy. Its alkaline nature creates an environment that fungi find difficult to thrive in. Fungal infections often grow best in acidic, damp conditions, but baking soda helps neutralize these conditions, making it harder for the fungus to survive. Additionally, it has mild antifungal properties of its own, further enhancing the healing process. To use this treatment, mix equal parts of castor oil and baking soda to form a paste, then apply it directly to the affected area. Leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. You can repeat this process daily until the infection clears up. With consistent use, this natural remedy can help you combat fungal infections without the harsh chemicals typically found in over-the-counter treatments.
As we continue exploring the remarkable benefits of this powerful duo, we come to a game changer for anyone dealing with skin imperfections. The next benefit is all about improving the appearance of blemishes, whether it's acne, scars, dark spots, or other imperfections. Let's see how castor oil and baking soda can help clear the way to smoother, clearer skin.
Now, let's focus on the sixth benefit: reducing skin blemishes. Whether it's acne, scars, dark spots, or other blemishes, we all know how these imperfections can affect our confidence. But castor oil and baking soda, when used together, offer a natural and effective solution to help clear the skin and restore its radiance. Castor oil works wonders for blemishes due to its rich fatty acid content and healing properties. It deeply moisturizes the skin, helping to balance oil production without clogging pores. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of castor oil help reduce redness and prevent breakouts, all while promoting healing of any existing scars or spots. Baking soda, with its gentle exfoliating action, works to remove dead skin cells that can clog pores and contribute to the formation of blemishes. It also helps to reduce excess oil, which is often a culprit behind acne and other skin issues. By balancing the skin's pH and gently sloughing off old skin cells, baking soda promotes the growth of fresh, healthy skin, leading to a smoother, clearer complexion. To use this remedy, mix a small amount of baking soda with castor oil to form a paste. Apply it directly to the blemishes or areas prone to breakouts, and leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in the appearance of blemishes, leading to clearer, more even-toned skin.
We've covered so many incredible benefits already, but here's one more that you won't want to miss. The final benefit focuses on something we all deal with from time to time: muscle and joint pain. Castor oil and baking soda can provide natural, soothing relief. Let's explore how this dynamic duo can help ease your discomfort.
Now, let's talk about the seventh and final benefit: natural pain relief for muscle and joint discomfort. Whether it's from overexertion, inflammation, or injury, we all experience aches and pains at some point. While many turn to over-the-counter pain relievers, castor oil and baking soda offer a gentle, natural alternative to help alleviate that discomfort. Castor oil is particularly effective for pain relief due to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. When applied to sore muscles or aching joints, castor oil helps to increase blood flow, reduce swelling, and soothe the affected area. Its deep penetrating qualities make it ideal for targeting areas of tension, stiffness, and pain. Baking soda enhances this process by neutralizing acidity and balancing the pH around the affected area. When the body's tissues are in an acidic state, it can exacerbate pain and inflammation. Baking soda works to restore balance, creating a more alkaline environment that promotes healing and reduces pain. To use this remedy, mix a tablespoon of castor oil with a teaspoon of baking soda and apply the paste to the painful area. You can even wrap it with a warm cloth or plastic wrap to enhance absorption. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Over time, this natural remedy can provide significant relief, helping to ease discomfort without relying on harsh chemicals or medications.
Well, there you have it: 7 incredible benefits of mixing castor oil with baking soda. From detoxifying the skin to relieving muscle pain, this simple yet powerful combination can truly transform your natural healing routine. Remember, nature often provides us with everything we need to nurture our bodies and restore balance.
I truly believe that with the right tools and knowledge, we can all take charge of our health in a simple, holistic way. I'm so glad you joined me today, and I hope these remedies bring you the healing and relief you deserve. Take care of your body, and remember, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Until next time, be well.
Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you feel inspired to give this remedy a try. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health insights.